Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive right into it. I just poured myself my first cup of coffee for today. So I haven't had coffee in a little bit today. Went out for a walk, did some things. I had to bring some video gear to somebody, and I'm like, dude, it's Crypto Moose. Like, I gotta continue to make some content. So I've been doing that. So I'm just gonna adjust things. Let's make sure that this is just out of frame. Looking decent, looking good. So if you guys haven't already, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. That is the one way you can really help us out here on the channel. Personally, I love it when you guys leave comments, when you ask about anything and everything. I like it. It's been really nice to be able to give back to as many people as I can. I know it's difficult to get answers to questions, especially in this space, whether it comes from, which hardware wallets do you use? Someone who's been into the space for 5 years compared to someone who is just getting started. That's the goal of this channel. So with that being said, we're going to be talking about the Tangem wallet. I want to do a 1 week review, and what better way of doing it than to do it in this fashion where I can just talk to you about the wallet, give you my experience, and give you 100% authenticity. So before we get started though, I do want to show one thing with you all. So let me just go to the channel here. And I want to remind you that there are tons and tons of videos for you to see. So if you go to the channel, type in Tangem, Tangem, and I did a complete unboxing. So we have a 4K unboxing video right here. So if you want to get a better first look, I know you can see it a little bit here. You can see a nice reflection of the wallet. Maybe that'll be a thumbnail, I don't know. But at the end of the day, that's a 4K video that I did overhead for you to get a first experience. So Tangem was kind enough to send me the wallet to do that. And in the future, when I get other wallets, and you're an NFT holder of the Loose Moose, you'll have a chance of winning one. So I also did a setup video. So check that out. I mean, these are 10-minute videos roughly, and you get a first look, and then you know step by step how to set up this wallet. And I compare it to other ones as well. So that's definitely really cool. So what are my thoughts on the wallet? Well, similar to what I thought they were going to be, I like this wallet a lot. I like it. Who would this wallet be for? I would say that this wallet is for someone that is on a budget, that wants to use their phone, that isn't using a desktop, and that wants to store the layer ones. Okay. So equipped with your phone, you have an app. And with the Tangem wallet, you have a very easy, simple setup. Okay. And let me give you an example. So this is what the app looks like. And all I'm going to do is scan my card, put in my password. So once it's set up, it's very easy to access. So what I use it for is as an everyday carry, maybe an emergency. So you scan it one more time. And you can just keep this little debit card type wallet in your phone. So I messed that up a bit, but it worked. So now we're in my account. So I've got a simple Bitcoin wallet. So right here, I can easily send and then confirm my transaction by tapping the card. So not only do you need to tap the card, and you do that with your setup, but you never have to write down your recovery seed phrase. So the real advantages of this wallet is, if you're someone who's on the go that wants to have some Bitcoin, ETH, and some ADA, it's definitely a good idea. It's definitely a great wallet for that. So it fits nicely in my wallet. I got 2 cards in there right now. Now, just thinking in terms of comparison, I'll get into what I don't like as much. And there's very few things that I don't like. What I do like the most, though, is the ease of use. I have 0 Cardano on here, but look, like on the app, you can see everything that you have If I want to buy some Bitcoin, I can, and it gets, stored on the private keys. So it's very easy. So right here I can buy. I have used it where I've sent a little bit of Bitcoin from my crypto.com back and forth. So that was pretty interesting. And yeah, we also have a referral code too. So I'll mention that more at the end. But if you guys do want to save $10, which is, I think that's like 15-20%, use promo code Moose. So I have that for you. I get a small kickback as well. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Doge, Matic, Tether, comment down below as well. What do you like about the Tangem wallet? For me, I've been a huge fan. It's fit inside my repertoire. I've been recommending it quite a bit, and it doesn't allow you to do everything yet, but you do have your wallet connect and whatnot. So here I can manage assets. You can just go through the list and add different assets as well. You got Lido. You can add a lot of altcoins. The only thing is connecting to dApps and whatnot. So what you do have is Wallet Connect in the top right. So you can do Wallet Connect in Scan, and that's going to be with the Wallet Connect app. So connect to dApps. So I haven't experimented a lot with that, so I'm sure in the future I will have more to say. But it fits nice in my repertoire. So let's compare it to the wallets that I currently use. This is a Trezor Model T. This is my go-to. I use this with my laptop and my desktop. I use this primarily to really dive into, the full capabilities of crypto, whether I'm yield farming, whether I am staking, whether I am going on a DEX or I'm using a DEX aggregator. I use that a lot. So we got that. We got the Tangem. So to give you an idea, these are my top three. So Ledger, S+, Tangem, and my Trezor. So Trezor is more, the Trezor Model T specifically. I do actually have the original as well. This is more, for me, a long-term Bitcoin wallet. This is my Ethereum Cardano wallet. I can get on dApps. I can delegate swiftly from a laptop. The Ledger, same thing. I can get to dApps. I can connect easily. Again, I'm going to be using the Wallet Connect more in the future. We'll be experimenting. This is my everyday hardware wallet. So instead of holding Bitcoin on my phone on a hot wallet, I hold it on here. And I can easily use it the same. If I want to send somebody some Bitcoin or pay for something, or I'm in an emergency, right? So if I have an emergency, I got like $1,000 of, crypto on a wallet I can send to here, whatever it is. So that's one way I would view it. So on the website, it is Tangem Wallet. So it is tangem.com. So that's the website, tangem.com. I've used it in a review video. So if you want to do it, we have a link in the description below. And don't forget, use coupon code MOOSE, MOOSE. You save 10%. So you can get the 3-card set for $62. I'm not sure if this is Canadian dollars or whatnot. But yeah, you can use your PayPal, whatever it is. It's very slick. So check out the other videos I have on it. I've been impressed. I haven't been using it as much as I thought I would. But it's made me feel good knowing that my Bitcoin that I have, when I'm using my phone, it's accessible, right? I got my phone and my wallet on me, and I'm holding crypto, and it takes away that stress of, hey, I got too much crypto, on a hot wallet. That can suck sometimes. All right. Let's talk about some of the other wallet features. Things that I've noticed is it's fun to use, right? Again, you just tap it on your phone, you confirm transactions, and you still have your password, which is cool. So I have another one. The fact that they're duplicates is dope. So here's 2 of them, right? So to give you an idea, I have 3 of them. So I keep one, in a different area. One stays, it can go in my suit or my pocket. Comparing to, let's see, Crypto.com card, right? You can get a little idea. Crypto.com card is nice. It's like fully metal, right? But comparing to a debit or whatnot, it's the exact same size. And the build quality is good. So I do like that. I trust in that. So really, at the end of the day, if you are someone that has never purchased a hardware wallet before and you're mostly using your phone, it's a great option. Unfortunately, I just haven't experimented a lot with the Wallet Connect. At this point in time, I'm pretty convinced that I'd rather have a Ledger S or a Model T if you're going to be doing things like, going to a deck. So I'll give you an example. So if we go to MinSwap, all right, and we're going to connect a wallet. So I'll disconnect this. And again, I could be wrong. Comment down below what you guys think. So here you have Wallet Connect. So again, I just haven't experimented with this. In the future, I'm sure I'll do something with that. But with the NAMI, I can easily connect that, go over here, connect through that application with my Trezor, connect my Trezor, and do whatever I got to do. So with Wallet Connect, maybe we will do something with that. Let's see what we got. So here, if we go to Wallet Connect, so here we can put custom. So that's one way you could do it. You can connect your wallet. The thing is that if you're using it every day, the Trezor and the Ledger is just going to be easier for sure. But if you're going mobile, it's just a good option. So it's very hard to distinguish why it would be better or not. The way I would have it is if you want a hardware wallet that is more for everyday carry, you don't want to worry about the private keys as much, and you just want something cheap and effective and have nice backups. So I think the Tangem is a great wallet as a gift. If somebody is already into crypto and they don't have a Tangem, it's sick. It's fun. It's great, right? Again, it takes 2-3 minutes to set up, and that is very true. You've got great security features. It works with both iOS, Apple users, so whether you're Android or whatnot, you can do it. And yeah, the company is great. I've had a great time speaking with them via email as well. So it's been a great overall experience. So that's really my review. Again, I haven't been using it too much to the extent that I do with other wallets. I'm gonna have to experiment more with the Wallet Connect. Again, it's like if I'm not using it, then there's maybe a reason. And that main hurdle is, just the Wallet Connect. I'd like to see a Tangem, proper connection maybe. I don't know. I'm kind of excited about the ring, so you guys can comment that down below as well. So definitely comment. What do you like about Tangem? I think it's slick. It fits nice. I'm going to experiment more. So part of that is my fault. I just haven't done enough. So you can type in which token you want to know if it supports. So it supports a lot. So, I haven't really seen anything on there that it hasn't supported. Maybe Kopi. Probably doesn't support Kopi yet. So there we go. It does. So on Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, I assume if you have some with if you send somebody your ADA wallet, it would still be there, right? Maybe it just won't show, but I don't know. That's pretty cool. In the future, all this just gets better. So yeah, comment down below. Guys, we are also dropping the Loose Moose NFT. So that's going to be coming. I'm not going to play the short today, but check out the link in the link tree. It's minting, man, 20 days. So December 21st, 5 p.m. UTC. Go to JPEG store. Hopefully it will be on the calendar. So I'm waiting for that. We also have a free Cardano mini course. We have links to hardware wallets. I like these three the most, the ones that I have up here. The AliPal, I haven't been using it, to be honest, but it's a good wallet. It's better than not having one. So yeah, that's about it, everybody. So that being said, I love my Tangem wallets, and it's a great way to protect your assets. It adds that level of intermediary to your tokens, right? So you don't have your private keys online where it can be hacked. It makes it that much more difficult. But at the end of the day, I'm still using my Trezor, my ledger more. But maybe that will change. Cheers.